Which tire pressure gauge is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, Astro AI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge. Let's kick things off with the Astro AI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge. Priced at just $579, this gauge caught my attention with its promise of accurate readings and user-friendly design. If you want reliable tire pressure checks without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's factory calibrated to plus or minus 1 psi, meaning you can trust it to match your vehicle's recommended pressure perfectly. This is super handy for monthly checks and road trips when you really need to be sure your tires are good to go. Plus, the bright backlit display helps ensure you can read the results even in dim lighting, which is a game saver during late night tire checks. Users love it, with over 20,000 sold in just the past month. Now, some people complained about its plastic build feeling a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, while it's not as rugged as some metal options, I found it surprisingly durable for regular use, and it's compact enough to slip into your glove compartment easily. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a straightforward, budget-friendly option that gets the job done. Skip this one if you need something industrial strength or plan to use it in heavy-duty situations. Honestly, for the price, it's a solid value. Now, if the plastic feel bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Eatonwolf T300 Digital Tire Pressure Gauge. The Eatonwolf T300 Digital Tire Pressure Gauge. Also at $579, its vivid orange color and rugged design really stand out. If you want a gauge that combines reliability with a bit of flair, this one's definitely worth checking out. Why is this gauge interesting? It's calibrated to ANSI B40.7 grade 2A, which means it's incredibly precise. This gauge can measure pressures from 3 to 200 psi, covering everything from your bike to heavy-duty vehicles. The built-in AI chip means it maintains accuracy even in extreme temperatures, so whether it's sweltering or freezing outside, you'll still get dependable readings. Over 10,000 of these have been snatched up recently. That speaks volumes. Some users mentioned the lack of a press-to-valve adapter for bicycles. Here's the thing, if you're mainly checking car tires, this won't be an issue for you. But yes, bike enthusiasts should keep that in mind. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a versatile gauge that handles a wide range without fuss. Skip this one if you ride primarily bikes and need that adapter. For the price and features, it's a great deal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for your everyday needs.
Product number 3, Astro AI Pencil Tire Pressure Gauge. The list is the Astro AI Pencil Tire Pressure Gauge, which comes in a handy 2-pack for just $5.45. What caught my eye here is its all stainless steel design, making it both durable and lightweight. If you want a no-fuss, reliable gauge for everyday use, this is worth a serious look. Here's the deal. This gauge doesn't require batteries, so you don't have to worry about it dying on you when you need it most. It measures between 10 to 75 psi, perfect for most car tires, and has a rugged design that prevents rust and corrosion. The integrated deflator valve is a nifty addition, allowing you to let some air out if you need to adjust your pressure. Plus, it includes 4 valve stem caps for convenience, and people love the simplicity of it. Over 5,000 units sold this past month. On the downside, some people found the pressure range a bit limiting for larger vehicles. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly driving a standard car or bike, this won't affect you. It's still a fantastic value for everyday checks. This is perfect for you if you value simplicity and reliability without the need of batteries. Skip this one if you drive a heavy-duty vehicle or need higher PSI ranges. Honestly, for 2 gauges at this price, you can't go wrong. Next, let's talk about something that's a bit more advanced.
Product number 4, Astro AI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge with Inflator, priced at $23.74. The first thing that grabbed my attention is that it combines a tire pressure gauge with an inflator, which is super handy if you want everything in one place. If you want an all-in-one solution for tire maintenance, this might be the one for you. This gauge is professionally calibrated to within 1% accuracy through a range of 3 to 250 psi, so you can expect precise readings every time. It's compatible with different air compressor outputs. This means you can inflate your tires and check pressure without needing multiple tools. It even features a leak-proof lock-on chuck, which helps prevent air loss when you're working with it. Over 5,000 of these have been sold recently, which shows it's popular among car lovers.
Now, some users mention that it's a bit bulkier compared to standalone gauges. Here's the thing though, if you're okay with a little extra size for the sake of convenience and functionality, it's a worthy trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive tool that covers both checking and inflating tire pressure. Skip this if you prefer something compact and lightweight. Honestly, the features you get for the price are really impressive. Finally, let's wrap things up with one more solid choice for everyday users.
Product number 5, Eaton Wolf Pencil Tire Pressure Gauge. We have the Eaton Wolf Pencil Tire Pressure Gauge 2-pack priced at $5.48. The solid metal construction caught my eye here, giving it a sturdy feel. If you want something that's built to last and easy to use, this one's worth considering. This gauge is calibrated to ANSI B40.1 Grade B, which means you can trust its accuracy for most everyday applications. With 2 different pressure inches, 1050 psi and 2120 psi, it's versatile enough for various vehicles. The included valve caps are an added bonus for those who often lose them. Just like the previous models, this option doesn't require batteries, which is a huge plus. It's also sold over 4,000 times in the last month, indicating it's a favorite. However, some users express concerns about the lower maximum pressure of the 1050 psi gauge. Here's the thing though, if you're not driving heavy-duty vehicles, this won't be an issue. It's perfect for standard cars and bikes. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, budget-friendly gauge that's easy to carry around. Skip this one if you require a higher PSI measurement for larger vehicles. For the price, it's a no-brainer. We've got the Astro AI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge for budget-conscious drivers, the Eaton Wolf T300 for those needing precision, the Astro AI Pencil Gauge for simplicity, the comprehensive Astro AI Inflator for multi-use, and the Eaton Wolf Pencil Gauge for durability. Each has its unique charm depending on what you need. Choose wisely and keep those tires safe.